Yo, 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 yo. Hello, hello, hello. Do 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 do. Yo, guys, yo. Do 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 do. Ah, SGBX. This one just needs a bit of volume. It's currently sitting near support around 3. I put a chart out earlier, and you can see the support levels are all at 3, and then obviously you got some strong resistance at 4. So it would obviously require a fair bit of volume to break that. Do, 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 do. I got the scanner on the screen for anyone who wants to use it. I do plan on buying some custom paid ones, which will be a bit better than this because I have a lot more customization on them. So I plan on getting them very soon. Do 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 do. RR. Grr. Let's see. Um, RANI. This one's currently forming a bullish engulfing on the daily, which is a bullish reversal pattern from a downtrend to an uptrend. So I'm currently watching this. I like this one. Look at this one. You obviously want to be seeing volume as well to like confirm it. So tomorrow on the next candle, I want to be seeing another green candle with some volume as well, just as a confirmation. Because right now it's looking like it could be in a trend reversal. SGBX just needs a bit of volume. This one's very thin. It's a low float. Can easily move with a little bit of volume. SES. This one looks like it wants to break out. It's nearest. It's above all this 200-day moving average. So this one looks like it's currently getting some decent bars around this 180 range. So I'm waiting for this one to break. It needs a bit of volume. AIRE. This one's got a triple bottom set up on the daily chart. Hello. This one's got a triple bottom set up on the daily chart. Let me know which stocks you guys are looking at, and I'll take a look at them. What stocks are we watching? Um, RR's got some strong resistance at 4. If it can pop this one can go. I am watching these robotic stocks for potential multi-day runs. They'll be on my watch all week. Obviously, with the news earlier, I think it was about Trump's administration are focusing on them next. So that's where you could be seeing some buyout potentials, like as we seen with the rare earth when that went crazy. They all ran like hundreds of percent. Obviously, some even like 300% when they had the buyouts. So they could go crazy. Let me know what you guys think. Uh, can anyone see the scanner? Is it all clear? Because I changed it so it shouldn't be blurry anymore. So hopefully you can all see it now. I don't believe Beyond's done either. This one's got some crazy cool option values, so people are betting this stock's going to go up. Poet, this one, if this one breaks 6, it could squeeze. See a little bit of a squeeze go on. Nice move today after the Marvel buy. Good double set bottom setup. Just needs volume right now. The IWN is near high today, so this one's near 52-week highs, the small cap index. So this is great for penny stocks. Obviously, SPY's going for that 685 break, bit of resistance here, and then looks like it wants new all-time highs. So this one could be 700 before Christmas, which would be crazy. Bitcoin might even reclaim 100k as well. It needs to reclaim that 95k though first. Let's see. Uh, Let me know what you guys are watching. Pardon me. So let's see. Let me know what you guys are watching, and I'll take a look. KITT. This one's currently still looking bullish. It's above the VAP, looking like it wants to curl right now. Needs to break that 120. Robotic plays like RRBT, RR, KITT. These ones I'm watching for a multi-day setup potential. I don't believe they'll be done today. I think they've got more in them. IXHL had a nicer recovery from that massive dip. DVLT, this one needs to hold 176. Otherwise, if it breaks out, I can see that 140 range again. Let me know what you guys are watching and I'll take a look. Hopefully we have some good plays for after hours. I am watching SGBX because this one just needs a little bit of volume and it can go. You seen what it done the other week with all the Reddit hype. Nice 10%er possibly on that one. Let's see. QCLS currently hitting scanners. Let's see. VRAX. This one needs to try and reclaim that VAP. I think it's done though, I believe. In my opinion, I believe it's done. SBEV, this one is thin. Any bit of volume, as you've seen yesterday, can just send it. Very risky play there. What is everyone watching? Let me know. KITT needs to break this 120. Currently trying to curl. I am watching these robotic starts for this rest of the week. They've definitely got a lot of potential. It kind of reminds me of when the rare earths ran. It's reminded me of that when you had all those buyouts on those rare earth plays. Seen the sector go crazy, a few 100% plays. These definitely have the same potential. As you can see today, some of them are running 60, 70%. Definitely got potential. RR needs to break that $4 strong resistance here. A break of that, could see a nice little squeeze. Definitely is room to 450 if it can break and hold that $4, in my opinion. Oh, S&P nice move today though. The whole market's looking green right now, looking pretty good. SGBX, this one just needs volume. SGBX, this one just needs some volume. It's definitely got the potential. 350 plus if this one can get volume in, I believe, in my opinion. I put a chart in the chat earlier and you can see all the support levels are around that $3 range, so that's where you'd be looking to load in my opinion. And then obviously resistance is around 4, so that could be like a sell area. But obviously you got to manage your own risk, and all the decisions are made by you. But it's definitely got some potential. It's SGBX. Seeing a little bit of volume flow in. Low float fits the theme right now. Low floats and crypto are on fire, so definitely hot right now. CYPH as well. That's another like a crypto player. This one been beat down recently. Currently oversold. Bounced off support earlier. 112 support bounced off. Definitely has room to like 150. Might be able to reclaim his 20-day moving average. Nice recovery of the market today. KITT, like I was saying before, this one needs to reclaim that 20. Chart's looking quite nice right now on the 1 minute. Nice little curl. Needs to break 120. Then you can think about going for new highs of the day. That 130 plus range resistance. It's getting some nice little bit of volume coming right now. MACD's looking good. It's looking good right now. 120 needs to break. Got some resistance here. SGBX, if this breaks at 330, then you'll be seeing that 350. And obviously $4 is going to require a lot of volume. There's a big resistance at this area. Robotic plays definitely multi-day potential setups. They remind me of the rare earth times when a few months ago rare earth plays around like a few 100% with the potential buyouts from the Trump administration. They also had news earlier that Trump's administration is changing from after AI to robotics. So given all the robotic stocks, quite a lot of hype right now, as you can see. AVXL. This one has a gap to fill at 510. Now gaps doesn't have to be filled, but they usually do get filled a lot of the time. So it's one to watch. Let's see. Let's see. If RR could get a close over 4, that'd be very bullish. These are robotic plays, definitely have that multi potential. IRBT is currently trying to break out for new highs of the day. Chart looks bullish right now. Looks like it wants to break out on some strong volume. Pardon me. KITT currently going for those new highs I was on about. Mentioned that 120 it needs to break and hold. So you want to see it hold here and break, and then you can think about that 130, getting some strong volume come in, nice curl on the chart here. Let's see, what else have we got? Oh God. Ugh. I do plan on getting some private custom paid scanners soon, so it would definitely help more with finding plays. Mm. I do plan on making some more YouTube videos on the weekend, covering one or two stocks. If we could see those interest rate cuts come next month, this month from the Fed, then I could see the market hitting all-time highs. SPY, IWM could be great for the market, as long as obviously other events don't happen to cause a crash or anything. SGBX, this one's getting a bit of volume come in, so if this one can break that 330, you can see a push to 350. Needs some volume. That $3 is a great support range, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys are watching. Let's see. Uh, uh, RANI. RANI. Currently at 160. It's got on level 2. It's showing some sell orders around there. This one can see a breakout over that 165. Daily chart is setting up nice, bullish engulfing, which is a bullish trend reversal pattern. Um, let's see. Uh, RANI. So this one currently has a bullish engulfing on the daily, which is a bullish trend reversal pattern. So when the stock's been in a downtrend and you see this, it can indicate a trend reversal to the uptrend. So that's a good sign. Obviously, with volume, it confirms it even more. And if you see another green candle the next day and it's big with some volume, that's great as well. It's another confirmation. That's things you want to be seeing for like a swing trade setup. Obviously, when you're looking at swing trades, you'll be looking at the daily chart or the 4-hour chart, and obviously with day trading, you'll be mainly focusing on the 1 minute and 5 minute. SGBX new highs of the day. SGBX new highs of the day. Nice move so far. I mentioned this one a few times today. That it's got some good potential if that volume can come in. Let's see. SES. Let's see. GUR is getting a bit of nice movement as well now. Let's see what other stocks. RRR. I want to see this one close over 4 today. That'd very bullish. Let's see what is going on. Oh. AHMA is hitting the scanners. Currently got some resistance at 17, I believe. SGBX, this one gets volume, you can see 350, and then you could be thinking about that 370, $4. $4 obviously some big resistance at this range, so that's something to look out for. Manage your own risk. Let's see what else is moving. So AHMA is hitting the scanner. IRBT going for new highs of the days today. KITT, this one needs to break that 120 for that 130 new high of the day push. I'm watching RR as well with these two running. Definitely got that multi-day setup potential. A close over $4 would be very bullish for RR because that's got some strong resistance here. So it's definitely one I'm watching right now. SGBX, this one just needs a little bit of volume. It's going to have a lot of eyes on it from the other day, obviously a Reddit play. Let me know what stocks you guys are watching so I can take a look at them. Let's see. RANI. This one just needs a bit of volume and then it can break out. Seeing a breakout around that 165 range. Chart's looking good right now. Looking for a bullish MACD crossover on the daily. Let's see what else we got. AVXL. This one has a gap to fill at 510 on the daily. Just a lot of the time these gaps do get filled, but they don't always. Let's see. PMAX hitting the scanners. Looks dead. SES. Now this one is looking like it's got some bars now around this 180 range, so the chart's starting to look a bit bullish. Looking for a curl on this one. Showing some signs of a reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. I made a video on this one on YouTube a few days ago. They got a lot of potential, this one. They had record earnings the other day, 7 million revenue, a lot of potential for the future. KITT, this one needs to break here now, 120 level. You can see 130 then plus new hard a day. These robotics are going crazy, as I was saying earlier, with obviously rare earths the other day. The other month they ran crazy, like 300, 400%, some of them with buyouts. So this has reminded me of the rare earth hype from the other day with robotics. So definitely multi-day potential on these. They can see a few days runs. Obviously, Trump's administration said after AI they're going to focus on robotics. So all these stocks are getting massive momentum off of this. Let's see, let's see. IRBT, some strong volume. SGBX, new hard a day, 325. Nice move on this one so far. Let's see. 330 SGBX, getting some volume come in. Nice little move on SGBX right now. Oh gosh, sorry man. 160 on RANI, nice. Let's see. Do 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 do. Let me know what stocks you guys are watching, and I'll take a look and see how they're doing. RANI, getting some strong moves. PLRZ.